In this video, I will show you how to use Stable Diffusion for free. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Stable Diffusion is a deep learning, text-to-image model released in 2022. It is primarily used to generate detailed images based on text descriptions. And in this video here I will show you how to use it for free. Many websites provide Stable Diffusion for you to try. But the best one according to me is Clipdrop. This is a simple website where you can try out the Stable Diffusion with the most accurate and detailed image results. You are not even required to be signed in order to use it. Go to the main website using the link in description. Enter a text prompt or text description. Describe in detail what image you want to generate. Define the objects, scene, and a theme for it. Hit the Generate button and then wait for a few seconds. It will generate 4 images for you. You can open them one by one to see them in good resolution. See all the details and analyze them. If you think something is missing, you can go back and regenerate the images after modifying the initial prompt. Finally, you can download a generated image in high quality as well. Just click on the download button at the top right side. In this way, you can now easily use the best free version of Stable Diffusion that is available online to generate images using AI. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.